Hello children, how are you all? I hope that you are living your life to the fullest. Children, just imagine that you played your favorite sport for an hour. Now, what thing you need the most? Of course, it is water. A wise person rightly said, if there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. Have you ever wondered from where does this water comes from? You might be wondering about the water purifiers. But that is not the actual answer. Although it is correct, but it's not the actual answer. The water you get in your house comes from the nearest water body. It may be either a lake or river. Water is the gift of nature to us. So, we should understand to use the water wisely. Water in water bodies like rivers, ponds, oceans, lakes, etc. is majorly present in liquid form. It can also change into gaseous or solid form. Children, let's understand about water cycle. The heat of the sun changes the water into water vapors. They rise up and cool down to form clouds. When clouds become heavy due to excessive water vapors, they fall on land as rains. Children, you might notice here that these mountains are covered with a white substance. This substance is known as snow. When water vapors cool in higher regions like hills and mountains, they form ice particles which fall as snow. Children, water is like currency which we all need, and rain is the main source of fresh water. लेकिन बच्चों, क्या हमेशा बारिश होती रहती है? कुछ खास जगहों को छोड़कर ज्यादातर जगह हर समय बारिश नहीं होती है. And moreover, the rainfall pattern is not uniform. कुछ जगह ज्यादा बारिश होती है, कुछ जगह कम बारिश होती है. इस कारण से वाटर शॉर्टेज हो जाती है. Water shortage means पानी की कमी. This leads to water crisis. In villages, people do not have enough water to drink or irrigate fields. शहर में तो हम पानी को टैंकर से मंगा लेते हैं, लेकिन जो गांव में रहते हैं लोग, उनको मीलों चलना पड़ता है पानी के लिए. Along with natural factors, there are some artificial factors which speed up the process of water shortage. Some of them are water pollution. हम humans rivers, lakes और अन्य water bodies में waste dump करते रहते हैं. Industrial waste भी पानी में ही dump किए जाते हैं. और due to all of these, their water becomes unfit for use. And next is deforestation. Deforestation is a serious problem. After all, forests play an important role in causing rainfall. Due to all of this, our water bodies are not getting recharged as fast they are getting used up. Children, we need some measures to tackle this problem. One of them is water harvesting. Water harvesting सुनने में थोड़ा कठिन सा लगता है, लेकिन ये बहुत आसान है और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग भी. Water harvesting simply means to collect rainwater where it falls. Rainwater harvesting is a simple and cheap method of recharging groundwater. The rainwater that flows down from the roof and terrace is not allowed to flow away. It is directed to a deep hole in the ground. Thus, it recharges the groundwater. अब बच्चों रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के एडवांटेजेस क्या क्या हैं? It improves the quality of groundwater. It recharges the groundwater level. It prevents flooding. It is an ideal solution to water storage. It has so many benefits that even our government is encouraging it. Careful and wise use of water is called water conservation. Children, let's learn about ways to save and conserve water. Like plant more trees. Do not pollute water. Conserve water. We can conserve water by carefully closing taps when not in use. Using a bucket to take bath instead of a shower. Reusing water in cleaning purposes. Children, we should store water in a vessel which is clean. Also, it should be kept covered. If water is stored in overhead tanks, the tank should be cleaned at regular intervals. When you require water, do not put your hand directly into the water container. Use a ladle instead. Thank you, children. Happy learning.